Hello, everybody. Today I am going to talk about the three types of references on Excel: relative reference, absolute reference, and mixed reference. Okay. So, what is relative reference? For example, in this cell, we don't have a dollar sign in front of column or row number. But in the next one, which is absolute reference, we have dollar sign in front of column number and row number. Okay. And the last one is the mixed reference. So in mixed reference, we have a dollar sign in front of row number or column number, but not on both. Okay, so it's called reference mixed reference. Now let's see how we can use them while working on an actual data. Imagine we have a data like that. So we have departments here and monthly expenses for each department. Okay, let's calculate total. So Alt plus from our keyboard. Okay, we can copy paste it down like that. Or alternatively, we can choose all and Alt plus from our keyboard, and Excel will automatically calculate the total. And here we can calculate it again, Alt, we can calculate month's total like that. Alt plus, here we go, Excel calculate the total for us, okay? So now let's see how we can convert all these dollars to USD from euro. Okay, so we have exchange rate here in this cell. Okay, so equal star sign, and we choose exchange rate. So we need to freeze lock this cell, okay? Because otherwise Excel will not calculate the Excel will not convert the dollars from euro to USD, okay? So from our keyboard, let's click on F4. Now we have dollar sign in front of J and 5, okay? We have dollar sign in front of the column and then row, and enter. And let's copy paste it down. Here we go. Excel calculated, Excel converted the euro to USD. Let's click on that. If we click on that, click on F2, we see that as we move down, this cell doesn't move anywhere. Okay, so it's called absolute reference because we have dollar sign in front of row number and column number as well. Okay, now let's imagine we would like to calculate the running total for this table. Okay, for that, I need Excel to add February on January and March on the total of February and January. How we can do that? Here, we're going to use mixed reference, okay? Equal sum. Here, I need to lock column B, okay? But not the row. I just need to lock the column. For that, I'm going to put the dollar sign in front of it. Close the parentheses. Enter. Now let's copy paste the formula to the right side. Here we go. If we click on F2, if we click on this running total for February, we see that Excel add February on January because we locked the column B. Okay, let's copy paste to the right side. Okay, now let's click on F2 and we see that Excel add on March, February on January because we locked the column B. Okay, and this tutorial again we went through the relative reference, absolute reference, and mixed reference. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.